Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna go over another tool that we're using here at the internship at Purdue Global. Uh, the name of the tool is the Time Clock Wizard, and the main function of this tool is to track the time and the task of the staff of a specific company or organization. As we can see here at the dashboard, it will show us the whole layout of the different functions and features of this tool. Right here on the clocking button, if we press that, it's gonna prompt us out to a window similar to this one. This is the app version of the time clock wizard, by the way. This is the one that we are required to use during the internship. Um, in notes, it gives you this block to add any task that we're gonna be working during that day, during that time, and um, we have to add a note when we clock in and when we clock out. Um, right here we shows the journal information during that day, the name of the employee, the day, the time the employee was working, um, the total time, and the time that the clocking and the clock out time. Going back to the website to go over a little bit more of this tool, we have right here, we click in timesheet. We can see the timesheet for specific employee. In this case, it's just myself since I'm not in any management position, so I can't see anybody else. Um, it will show the information of current or past weeks. It will show the times. Um, we can select from today all the way to current or previous years, or customize it just like I have it right here. These are my current time for this week, right? And my hours. And if we click here and schedule, this next functions schedule, task, and reports. They all they are all connected to each other. But in this case, since I'm not using this tool to track my work, I only using it to track my hours. Of course, you ain't gonna display anything in reports, task, or schedule. Um, Last part will be the employee part, where it shows the personal information, name, last name, the username, and the managers. Some other contact information that we can add to this. Um, and that's about it. I hope this video is will be helpful, and thank you for watching.